Hi, I'm Ashok Madar Mohan and I'm your instructor, and I'm going to teach you about diamond identification, valuation and marketing. In this course, we learn about identifying real diamonds, the 4 C's of diamonds: cut, color, clarity, carat, fifth C, costing, common equipment used in grading diamond and grading diamonds. I've taught over 15,000 students in diamond grading, jewelry manufacturing, gemology, jewelry designing, and other various subjects of diamond gems and jewelry. It's a brilliant cut diamond. The top portion is called the crown, the middle is called the girdle, and the lower portion is called the pavilion. In the crown, the middle portion is called the table, then you've got the star facet, then you've got the bezel facet, then you've got the upper girdle facet. And in the pavilion facets, you've got the lower girdle facets and the pavilion facets, and in the end, you've got the culet. This is a diamond eyeglass, and I'll just teach you how to open it. This is how you open the diamond, and that is the point of focus. And this is a tweezer. When you use a tweezer, you don't use it as if you're eating Chinese food or using as a chopstick. You use it inside your palm, and you keep the table downwards and the pavilion upwards. This is a tweezer, and I explained to you the table. Right. You keep the diamond upside down, the table facing downwards, the girdle facing upwards straight, and the pavilion facets on the top. Then you take it, turn it slowly, and bring it on the side so that you can see the table. There you see the star facet, you see the kite facet, and you see the upper girdle facets. This we learn to do it fully, and while practicing it, pick it up in your hand and drop it, pick it up in your hand and drop it, pick it up in your hand and drop it. Do the exercise for 20 times. Why I'm asking you to pick it up with your hand and drop it? So that you're not applying too much pressure. So that you're just applying enough pressure so that we hold it perfectly. As you see, there's a cavity here in which you can put the piece in and try to move it up or down till you feel you can see comfortably. This is a diamond packet. I'll teach you how to open it. When you open it, half, then half, open it like this. Put the pieces on the pad. How to pick up and view the diamonds. I'll show you how to pick it up in your hands. You'll use your fingers. Try to rotate the piece in your fingers so that it keeps on moving up and down. Your fingers. This you practice for about 10 minutes until you feel it comes to the fingers and it comes to the edge of your fingers, and then try to focus it so that you can see the table, then see the table ka trikon, then see the kite facet, then see the upper girdle facet clearly. One important thing I want to tell you is, do not see diamonds continuously. See it for 10 minutes. Rest for 10 minutes because it will affect your eyes. And we do not want to damage your eyes. We don't stop the class when you're not using the eyeglass for seeing the diamond. Try to rotate the piece in your fingers. It should be rotated in your fingers fully. The more you rotate it, the better it becomes. After you have learned to pick up the diamond, see all the facets. And this happens to be a diamond pad. This happens to be a diamond scoop. And we use the scoop for picking up the diamonds from the pad. And this is a diamond loop. A diamond loop has got two glasses. And it's a spring pen. Next we are going to see how to use a spring pen and how to use a loop. Now I'm going to show you how to use the spring pen and the loop. Basically, between the eyeglass and the loop, both are the same. The loop has double glass. Focus is a bit better. It's a bit clearer. But if you are used to seeing eyeglass, it is quite good. The reason I'm teaching you both so that you can use any one of them, and I'll teach you how to use a spring pen. The spring pen should be used for diamond over about 25 cents. First try to see that what is the focus. Can you see the diamond clearly? If you can see the diamond clearly, then again we follow the same principle of seeing the table, seeing the upper girdle facets, seeing the kite facets, and through the table you try to see the lower girdle facets. Before we start seeing the diamond, we have to first clean it up with the chamois cloth. This is a chamois cloth, and I'll teach you how to use it. You keep it and keep the diamonds on top of it, and then clean it. Just rub it gently and it'll get cleaned up. That's it. Never forget to always clean your diamonds. And this happens to be a fan gauge. With a fan gauge, we try to find out the weight of a diamond. You're wearing some studded jewelry. As to what is the weight of the diamond, you will come to know the approximate weight by using the fan gauge. It's called the fan gauge. Fan gauge, you use the fan gauge, you put the fan gauge on top of the diamond, then you come to know what's the approximate weight of the diamond. Approximately the weight of this is 10 to 11 cents. With this starter kit, you can just be on the way to learn about diamonds. Thank you. To learn in depth, you are welcome to join our courses on diamond, gemology, jewelry designing, and jewelry manufacturing, gold refining, and others. Feel free to contact us, that is Trishul Diamond, on our telephone number, or you can even email to us on the address given. Thank you very much.